Uh, Mater, can we go to tractor tipping? Yes. Cool. Maybe it's super dangerous. Come on, let's go. 10 hours later. Whoa. Whoa. This is huge. This is our first try. 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 Go. Let's go. Huh? What about Frank? Hey, wait for me, Mater. We got one rule. We got one rule. What is the one rule, Mater? Do not wake up Frank. That's pretty easy. We'll sure try. One. Now your Hermit Queen. Okay. I couldn't do it. How about Mater Jr.? Okay. Honk. Moo. Your turn. Your turn. We can do it. Baby. We're not baby. Stop. I gotta do something. Beep, beep. Moo. Moo.
That's Frank. That's Frank.
Uh-oh.